On the road again. Family adventure.
Pack your bags.
Bye!
Grab your hat.
See you when we get back!
Fill the car. Imagine that. Wheels go round. The road is wide. Sing a song as we take a ride. On the road again, here we go. Sun is shining,
Let's get these tents
explore. Mountains, rivers,
You're a
cities,
great helper.
sand. Adventures waiting, take my hand. Drive through forests,
Marshmallow.
over hills. Counting cows and windmill spills. By the ocean, feel the breeze. Let's stop for ice cream, pretty please. On the road again,
It's beautiful,
here we go.
Mom.
Sun is shining, let's explore. Mountains, rivers, cities, sand. Adventures waiting, take my hand.
Teamwork.
Where are we now?
Hungry?
Let's take a guess. Look at the signs.
Let's eat.
Are we there yet? Camping, hiking, time for fun. Family road trip #1. On the road again.
Uncle
Here we
Billy!
go. Sun is shining, let's explore. Mountains, rivers, cities, sand. Adventures waiting, take my hand. Camping, hiking, time for fun. Family road trip #1. On the road again, here we go. Sun is shining, let's explore. Mountains, rivers, cities, sand. Adventures waiting, take my hand.
Thanks for watching. If you would like to have more fun with the Travel Kids, please like and subscribe.